Hello everybody, today we would like to bring you guys a very cost-effective diesel generator for house purpose. It is one of the Chinese engine diesel generator brand and the name is Ricardo. And also another name so-called Weifang. Genpower focused on diesel generator over 20 years. And let's check this smooth service. 3 layers painting treatment, rust proofment coating, stable performance, good quality. As one of the famous engine brand in China, Ricardo has its own reason. Today this model is 30 kVA output with silent type, internal equipped with 4-cylinder diesel engine, 50 Celsius radiator. It makes sure it will not problem even during the hot zone, like the desert, the hot Middle East, and South Africa. This generator comes with internal ATS, auto transfer switch, helps you more easier when you are operating this generator. When city power is cut off, the ATS will send signal to start the generator, vice versa. ATS stops the generator when city power comes back. Emergency stop button keep generator and user more safer during emergency situation. It stops the generator immediately by just click the red button. The fuel tank comes with 8 to 10 working hours standard. We also offer some more options for the generator's fuel tank like 12, 24, 48, and 72 hours, etc. Help you to work continuously for a longer time during the sudden natural disaster. For each diesel generator, we equipped with smart LCD screen digital controller. The controller is just like the human brain, which controls the startup and shutdown of the generator and records various real-time running states and data. If something goes wrong, the screen will indicate the error code and send the alarm. Controller will help you more easier to using our generator just like a smartphone. The circuit breaker's standard configuration on generator, even if it is overloaded occasionally, there's no need to worry about damage to the generator. The original intention of Genpower is to protect the user, make sure they are perfectly safe, are customized. If you are interested in Genpower diesel generator, you are welcome to contact us. Genpower, your reliable generator manufacturer around you.